Hey Novi, City Council had a packed agenda to cover as we close out Q1. Here's what you need to know. Council got the night rolling with a public hearing regarding the proposed vacation of North Caravich Drive. Located at the northwest corner of Novi Road and West Oaks Drive, this initiative will make room for a proposed Culvers development. Following up on the public hearing, Council voted to approve the resolution to vacate North Caravich Drive. Additionally, Council voted to approve the preliminary site plans for the proposed Culvers development. The development will come back to Council at a later date for final consideration. Council then approved a recommendation from the Consultant Review Committee to establish Plant Moran Real Point as a consultant as the city looks into the construction of new public safety facilities. An approval was also given of the final payment to Pamar Enterprises for the 2022 Asbestos Cement Water Main Replacement Program. Next, Council awarded funding to System Corporation for an upcoming HVAC automation project. Our wonderful city manager gave a progress update on Council's goals, which were set at a special session earlier this year. Lastly, there were 2 items added to Mayor and Council issues. The first, initiated by Member Stout, concerned the 9 Mile and Napier Road intersection. Council directed staff to provide a summary of current issues at the intersection and provide short-term solutions while a long-term strategy is identified. The second issue from Mayor Pro Tem Casey was a recommendation from the Older Adult Needs Committee to establish a commission on older adults, which will go to the Rules Committee to be formally instituted. That's all for this week. As always, visit cityofnovi.org for more information on Council's agenda. Take care, Novi.